Hello friends, this is Paul at the Bookman Bookstore with another handy tip on book care. Today we're talking about the plastic dust jacket protectors. So many of you have seen these covers in our stores, the shiny, attractive. People ask all the time how to put them on and ask about them. I'm here to talk about them. So here is a book that sorely needs one. First off, this is a problem. You get this all the time. Through age, people pulling books off the shelves, they get folded, little tears, and that's going to keep getting worse. But what these jackets do is keep it all together, take care of your book, and it's going to look great. Do not tape stuff. People are always tempted to put tape on the back, on the front, and it just ruins everything. So let's get started. A lot of companies make these. What we do, they come in bulk like this, big package of them you can order. There's a few companies that make them. We go with the Brodart company. They're stronger, plastic. They're not as shiny, but they don't scratch, so they kind of hold up on the shelf. Pull them in and out of the shelves. We go with that Brodart company. And the package comes with instructions, which are frankly terrible. They tell you to tape it on, so we don't do that. Okay, to put it on, you want a jacket cover that's a little bit taller than the book itself. They fold down to the correct size, so if this is an 8.5-inch book, you want a 9-inch Brodart. Okay, so the paper backing, you're not going to end up seeing that, just the clear plastic. So this is going to go in a pictorial side to the plastic. First off, unfold all these little things that have happened over time. Little bits that are folded down. Fold those out. You see the paper tear, get it on the back so the picture lays correctly. And we're going to tuck one side all the way into the bottom. Flip that over and gently tuck it in. You can see the plastic's clear here. You can see where you're at the bottom. Make sure it's not up. You're going to get a bad results if it's not tucked all the way to the bottom here. You want to kind of get it in the middle of the plastic, so you have a little jacket hanging over on each side. Keep that tucked down. Fold it over. We're making a new crease. No tape, nothing. The plastic can crease and hold its new position once you give it a good folding. Here's the real trick here. You want to pull this back far enough to where it's going to be tight. So this pulls up a little bit, and I tuck it back down. And it finds its spot. You can give it a little crease there once it's comfortable and it's the exact size. You don't want extra, again, it's sloppy. If you pull it too much, you're going to fold the jacket in there. You don't want that. That's one tip. Two, big tip, is this thing is perfectly cut. You want the sides lined up right there before you put the new crease in. What that's going to do is guarantee a nice perpendicular fold right there without anything wonky. So, again, tuck it to the bottom. Pull it down a bit so it just about curls up. You get your sides lined up, just like so. And we gently push it back down. Let it tell you where it ends. That's it. We found the spot. If you have high-tech tools like this, you can put the new crease in with a little folding bone folder thing. Or your fingernail. Most of us have these, if we've been lucky and fortunate. That's it. That's your new fold. It's going to stay there. Kind of check your edges. I'm a little off. I can't do much. Kind of refold it if you're off. That's it. The book goes on. I like doing that. Get the air out. So now we're ready to just fold it back on the book itself. Again, these folds on the edges of the spine will help it stay. Once you fold it, it's there. Air out again. All the air, all the details you can take like that, just make it look nice at the end without having bubbles or anything ugly. That's it. Just reinforce your folds, and you have a plastic cover protected jacket good for thousands of years. You're going to love it. So Brodart, this stuff is archival. The plastics, no acid in the paper. They don't yellow. It doesn't harm your book. They're fantastic stuff. So I hope this was helpful to you. We've provided links at the bottom here to get these online. You get them in bulk, individually, different sizes. It's all there for you. And I hope you like it. Good luck. And stay tuned and visit us at the shop. ebookman.com is our website. Our store is an open brick and mortar real bookstore in Orange, California. Come see us. Thanks.